Hello, welcome back. Today I am looking at the Lego Technic skid steer loader. I've wanted this one for a little while now. It's been sold out, unfortunately, but I recently got an update in the email the other week that it was back in stock, and I went ahead and ordered it. And I also ordered the NASA Apollo Saturn V rocket, and it came with the Jane Goodall tribute. But today we'll be focusing on the skid steer loader. So this is set number 42116. It's 140 pieces, not very big. Different sides here. This also is a 2-in-1. You could make a hot rod car out of it, but I wanted it for the skid steer. Alright, let's open her up. So we have a loose piece. I've never seen that before. A couple loose pieces. Must have just been easier to keep them out of bags. Got one big bag here, smaller bag. Looks like the bucket. Two white pieces. And instruction manual. Got all the components here. Here's our manual. I believe if you wanted to make the other one, the hot rod, I believe you'd have to download that separately. So let's get ahead and start building this. So here it is, guys. That was the Technic skid steer loader. It was a decent build. I think I enjoyed the Technic motorcycle a little bit better, but overall it wasn't bad. The one thing I don't know if they were going for this as like a way to enter the cab or not, but I kind of wish the cab was connected but I don't know again if that was what their intentions were or they didn't have an idea of how to connect it. Twist the knob here, scoop or dump the bucket. This knob works pretty slow to raise. The gear ratio must be a lot different. With the scooping, this one works pretty quickly. Overall, this is it. It was kind of nice. Also, compared to the motorcycle though, the gauges were actual pieces that were printed and they weren't just sticker decals. Tail lights, you got some front headlight working lights. I like the doors that are supposed to be on the side, and the seat isn't a nice touch. It's not exactly like your standard skid steer. Normally, you know, all the ones you see, the arms are on both sides. I think I would have liked that design more if they could have did that. I don't know if that would have been a lot harder or maybe drove up the price for it. And then being a Lego Technic, they wanted to, you know, have the pieces functional, scooping and lifting and raising of the bucket. But here it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed this build. Tune in for next time.